Hey, so here's GAUTHMATH app. So what exactly is deadline reminder? So if you go here, so basically you can just give your task title. You can give notification, can do like 10 every Wednesday, and you can also send your email and sync your calendar. So here you can sync. I already did that, so it's syncing my way. And then yeah, so you can't edit task title. So you can just do this, and then you can just tap save, and then you will get like a deadline reminders. So if you want to have that notification also sent to your email, just input your email address. So that's about it. That's how it works. Hope it is helpful.